What would you do without me?
Okay, so this is my second time getting told by the captain, right? He walked by and gave me the eye. What do you think, Taicha?
I mean, the captain might actually drive the boat.
Right. It's not automatic. They actually drive the boat.
I know.
So, I'm trying to get a double shot of both of us, but it's not happening. So I guess I got to keep turning the camera every time I say something. What you think, huh? It's like when the camera turns, it's your turn to talk. She's not gonna say anything all day, so let's cancel that part.
I'm gonna laugh for now.
Yeah, there it is. She's still not saying anything. Okay. Yeah. We're trying to do each other's company. So she wants me to get off of here, but I'm not. Exactly. That's what's going on. I guess I'll get off.
You can stay on.
I can stay on. It's fine. She's camera shy, but she's always taking pictures of Instagram. I don't know how that works. How does that work? Exactly. She don't like to be recorded.
I didn't say you couldn't record.
And every time I talk to her, she keeps saying no face, no case. Who is she? Who she has the case with? The plot thickens. I hope whoever it is who sees all this. Yeah, this is what she was on Sunday of what's today's day?
That was my twin.
That was a twin.
The doppelganger.
Yeah. Yeah. If you see him out there, guys, tell her she. I ain't gonna say it. I was gonna say it, but I'm not gonna say it. How good look.
It is good.
And we got some new friends from Portland, I think. He's a Trailblazer fan, but he's really a Heat fan inside. Deep inside, he's a Heat fan. So I'm trying to convince him.
That's really good.
And I'm saying this with a Laker hat on. Yeah, I know. So whoever's saying that. Why would you take one with you? He's coming out.
I go over it. So when you turn it, just turn this. Teach you the techniques. I'll teach you the techniques. Gotta teach them everything.
So, do you want to tell the camera how you called in for work today? Just to come eat? So you told your boss that you were sick. Yeah. And you're here eating in Savannah.
That's good.
She told the job she was having a baby. She called in because she said she was delivering today.
I think I said all that. Now. Hold up. Plot thickens. I got extreme.
That was the worst call-in ever. I want to see somebody do that. I want somebody to call in their job and say, "Hey, I'm having a baby." I'm putting it out right now. Okay, come here. Look at that.
I made a birth certificate.
Why didn't you tell us? We had a baby
I could never know. She wasn't showing.
Man, you weren't showing. You hit it pretty well. You should have gave us more shrimp because I ain't know shrimp was good.
I know it is really good. The biscuit and gravy is gonna get real cold though.
I don't know about that. I think I'm gonna eat that. So,